You don't let us know who will become the president of Nigeria in 2023. You can see. Let's check. If na Tinubu will become the president of Nigeria in 2023, make this one disappear. If I close and open it, make this one disappear. Is not the one. Okay. If na Atiku go become the president of Nigeria in 2023, make this thing disappear. Is not the one. If na Peter Obi go become the president of Nigeria in 2023, make this thing disappear. None of them will become the president of Nigeria. None of them. Okay. Let me check more. If na Biafra we come during the period of 2023 election, make this thing disappear. I can perceive Biafra. Biafra is coming. Biafra is coming.